Okay guys, so the eggs have finally hatched. I've been waiting for over 2 weeks and here they are. They have hatched a lot. There are brown ones and then there are green ones. I'm gonna release this one that is on my fingers onto this bush right there because it's gonna do pest control, and we're gonna release all of them later in the video. Let's release this one. Let's put it this leaf. Oh, he likes me, I guess. Okay, bud, you're gonna have to go. There he goes. Off to do some pest control. Here they are. Okay guys, so it is now releasing time. We are gonna release them in our garden and then also in my neighbor's garden so they can eat the bad bugs. And also so we can watch them grow big. Okay guys, so I grabbed a handful and let's let them go. Let's put some over here in this little garden. I'll just place them right there. They're all a few that are crawling on me. Look how fast this one is. Okay guys, so it has been over a month since we've let those praying mantises go and they've hatched and stuff. And I just found one yesterday and I am pretty sure it is one of ours that we let go, because we let over 200 of them go. So comment down below if you think it is ours or not.